If you're lucky, you get 4,000 weeks on this earth. Think about that, 4,000 weeks, and yet we waste so much of that time. We skip workouts, eat like garbage, neglect our health, and tell ourselves we'll fix it later. But one day, there is no later. That's been me. For the past 3 years, I've been the biggest hypocrite. I tell guys like you to take care of their health, but I wasn't doing it for myself. I got busy, I made excuses, I let myself slip. But enough's enough. That's why I signed up for my first ever full marathon, 42.2 kilometers of pure pain. And to make things worse, I chose one of the hilliest courses I could find, Warrego, Victoria, a total of 550 meters of elevation. Oh, and did I mention that I hadn't run in nearly 12 months? I had to pull out of my marathon prep last year due to knee pain, and only a few years ago I developed rhabdomyolysis in both my legs. The pain was so severe I couldn't walk for a week, and I ended up needing to be hospitalized. This isn't going to be easy. But I don't care because I'm sick of my own excuses. I'm sick of waking up and feeling like I'm not living up to my own advice. And I know there are guys out there, maybe even you, who need to hear this. Maybe you woke up one day with erectile dysfunction or a slow urine stream. Maybe your gut has gotten bigger and you don't recognize yourself in the mirror anymore. And you're wondering, how the hell did I get here? Let me tell you how. This didn't happen overnight, guys. This is a buildup over years. Years of not prioritizing your physical health or your mental health. Years of not eating the right healthy foods. Years of being sedentary, sitting behind your office desk instead of getting up and moving your body. And now here you are, looking for a quick fix. A pill, a surgery, some shortcut to undo years of damage. There is no shortcut. Gentlemen, the only way out is through hard work, through discipline, through making a plan, putting a date on the calendar, and pushing your body to its limits. Whether it's to finally get back in shape or fix those annoying health issues you're forced to deal with, like erectile dysfunction, a weak urine stream, or urine dribble. It's all the same, and you're in the driver's seat. The day had finally come. It was race day. At this stage, the nerves were setting in. I was all smiles at the beginning, but little did I know just how much pain this marathon was going to cause me. Yeah, that smile's not gonna last long. The marathon started with a bang, straight uphill. 5.5K into it. Long way to go. 10K down. Woo. Guys, I was off to a great start, controlling my heart rate and sticking to an easy pace. 12.45K down. Going down a very steep downhill. It's a very hilly track, but we're getting through it. 15K. My fueling strategy was eating one gel every 5 kilometers to make sure I had enough carbohydrates to get me up and down these hills. 20. Woo. 25. Woo. Starting to hurt. 30. Woo. 35. At the 35 kilometer mark is when I officially hit the wall. My heart rate was through the roof. I couldn't control my breathing. My knees and my hips were in pain. I wasn't sure I was gonna finish this race. 40. Whew. Yeah, don't let that smile fool you. I was crying underneath these sunglasses. This race brought me to my emotional breaking point. Guys, I did it. I made it. I crossed the finish line. I completed my very first marathon, 42.2 kilometers of pure torture. Little did I know, I had 3 missing toenails, a pile of blood in my socks, but it was worth every second of pain and suffering. This was an amazing feeling. And now it's your turn. No, you don't need to run a marathon, but you gotta do something, a challenge, a goal. Just choose something that pushes you well past your comfort zone to get your body moving. Because let me tell you something, if you don't, life will push you. One day you will be forced to change. Maybe it's after a heart attack. Maybe it's after developing diabetes. Maybe it's after your doctor telling you that you need surgery. Maybe it's when you wake up and you finally realize that your body isn't the same as it used to be. Or you can choose to change now. You can choose to take control. You can get off your butt and you can push your limits. It's never too late to take control and to push your limits. I don't care what health condition you are currently managing. The only way out is through. And you can start by taking better care of your body and challenging yourself to get better just 1% every single day. We get 4,000 weeks if we're lucky. Let's make them count. All right, guys, if you are ready to take action, let's make it official right now. our gentleman's agreement. You've probably seen the hundreds of comments I have gotten on every single one of my videos that are commenting gentleman's agreement. This is our virtual handshake agreement, where if you've watched more than one of my videos, you gotta go and click that subscribe button. And then once you click subscribe, you comment the words gentleman's agreement down in the comment section below so that I can officially welcome you to the greatest community on all of YouTube. Step number 2 of taking action is I send out 2 powerful, brief emails to your inbox every single week, loaded with workout programs, exercise tips, and all of my best advice to help you sort out your health concerns. Now, if you want to read emails to get rock hard and leak free, the sign up link to my email newsletter is in the description below, so go sign up, it's free. Number 3, if you are ready to get to work with me, I offer free 15-minute information calls using Zoom. You can use the link below, again in the description, to sign up for a free 15-minute call. You talk directly with me. I don't have anyone else on my team. Guys, this is all that I do. I only help guys get rock hard and leak free and into the best shape of their lives. So what do you have to lose? During this free call, we can discuss your situation, and then we will see if you are an appropriate person to either do my 1-hour coaching consultation or my one-on-one coaching program. Book in for your free call by using the link below. And remember, regardless of your situation, keep going, and I'll see you in the next video.